There are moments that define us, that set our course and shape our lives. On this mountain, every moment is an opportunity to dream limitlessly, learn voraciously, compete ferociously, grow faithfully, and live significantly. Take this moment, this first step, and see your future from the mountaintop. Mount St. Mary's University. Schedule your visit today.